My people, this one pain me. Hey, una go know this woman what I want talk about. Oh, this one na Nigerian Nollywood actress. Her name na Ifey Onwuemene. Hey, she don't die of cancer. This woman now she act everyday people. Now she be Sam Loco wife for that film. And even if Sam Loco don't die, now she don't die. Hey God. My people, this one pain me. Oh. They talk say they don't they diagnose them with endometrial cancer. They don't remove her womb. And she don't they suffer this illness for a very long time. Oh. They say after 8 sessions of chemotherapy for 2019, the doctor still tell her say she don't reach stage 4 of cancer. Abi then they treat person go they better. How for her own incident she they get treatment still the thing reach stage 4 of this cancer. I don't know whether this one then give am wrong diagnosis, so been a wrong chemo then give her well because she says she still the woman still they feel pain for her upper abdomen and she still they feel her belly they blood, so it be like say the thing no even they get better, she still they get problems even on top of all this treatment where she they carry on. My people, this woman don't spend 10 million naira for this her sickness. Actors and actresses where they act film with her, they don't bring money. Fellow Nigerians, they don't bring money. Oh, they don't do donation. They even open GoFundMe for this woman. With all this, even okay, I know say they thought say the GoFundMe no bring out much, but money come out. With all these things, still the cancer they go where they go. This woman they do draining every 2 weeks with 280,000 naira. My people, every 2 weeks, so no be food, no be drink, draining every 2 weeks. Then they remove 3 liters of liquid. When they remove this 3 then they remove this 3 liters of liquid so that this sickness no go affect her heart. Yes, they say then they remove and make it no affect her heart. My people, all these things, the millions of naira, the thousands of naira, the contribution, the GoFundMe, everything wey dem do on top of this woman head. This woman still die. Hey, my people, now so she take die, yo. May her soul rest in peace. I don't tire to the talk, may their soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. May her soul rest in peace. Which kind Nigeria be this? Not be say peace dey the name of this country. Oh, everywhere rest in peace, people they die. Wetin be this? This one na natural death. Oh, but who know whether this doctor give am right treatment, whether this doctor give am as e suppose be? Because if they do am like that, this cancer no go dey increase on a daily. This thing na old cancer wey dem don dey treat, na something wey dem don dey treat since, and now this year the woman don die. If then they take precautions or then they do the things I suppose be, I should say that woman go there alive. Even if she there with the cancer, at least it go the impact no go there too much. How you go far like this, you no go reach that extent. But now this woman don't they die. See, if you no get money, una dey hear me? If you no get money and you get good health, just they give glory to God. Now here una go see say money no be everything. Money no be ultimate. Even if you get money we go treat you, some treatment self money no go fit treat am. Una see Michael Jackson upon the money he get, he still die. So if you get good health, give glory to God. Oh, no be by money. I beg my people, una don't see wetin happen to this woman. E dey pay me because I dey like this woman for film, and na like this the woman take die. Hey, so my people, I beg if una get anything to put or anything to talk for this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Oh, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.